Before we start our Keith Haring sculpture, you're going to need a plan of what your sculpture is going to do. And I kept it simple. I made it so my 3 people are all built the same way. They're just going to turn different directions. And remember, anytime we have a plan, things can change. So when I grade your project, I'm not grading what's on this paper. I'm grading the physical project that you build. Because there may be problems that arise and you have to adjust for them. Or it could be you come up with a better idea than what you drew. So I do know that for each of my people, I'm going to need 2 separate pieces to build the body. And I'm going to work with the secondary color group. I need 3 small pieces of cardboard and a lot of glue stick. So when you start, you want to take your paper and fold it in half like a book, times all 3 pieces. Then on your cardboard, take one side and cover it. So that means all glue stick on all of it. And we're going to stick your paper to it. So I'm going to make sure it's lined up with that fold here. And repeat. Take the cardboard, cover in glue, fold, and press. It's helpful to rub everywhere to make sure all of it sticks. And repeat this for all of your pieces of paper. Once they are all glued to the cardboard, so all of these have cardboard inside them, then I'm going to turn it this way. So I have the most room to draw my person because their body is going to be longer than it is wide. So the head is a C, that's turned sideways. Decide what direction your arms are going. And on your cardboard, yes, it might be a little bit smaller than your construction paper. So you may have to work around that. Like over here, it goes over the edge. So I may have to adjust my arm and bring it in a little bit. But you can always go back and erase. Okay, here's the top section of my body. And I'm going to draw the legs separately. And I'm making sure they go a little wider than the body. And also checking to see where the cardboard ends. If you need to, you can fold it over so you know where the cardboard's at, because your whole person needs to be built of construction paper and cardboard so it's nice and sturdy. Alright, so I'm going to draw this little guy 3 times. I now have 3 little Keith Haring cookie cutter men that are all pretty close to the same. Yes, there's some extra pencil lines, but those can get erased later. Next mission is you're going to carefully cut them out, trying your best not to bend it all up. So you may have to approach things from some different angles to get all of your pieces out.